Remember, your first step is to isolate a square root. Get it to be the only thing on one side of the equal sign. Done. Then it was to square both sides. So we're going to square both sides here. But you know that when you square a square root, it just cancels out. So it's going to cancel out on the left side, make it 3n minus 2. And it's also going to cancel out on the right side and just make it n plus 6. So now we have to kind of remember our old steps of equations. Distribute, combine like terms, get the variables on the same side, and then undo addition and subtraction, undo multiplication and division. So right now we just have to get the variables on the same side, and you are always either adding or subtracting to do that. So if I want to get rid of the smaller one, 1n, if I don't want that there, we would subtract 1n. Because 1n minus 1n is 0n. So those cancel. 3n minus 1n is 2n. Minus 2 equals 6. Now we're to the fourth step, undo addition and subtraction. Minus 2, we're going to add 2 to both sides. 2n equals 8. And then we undo multiplication and division. 2n means 2 times n, so we will divide by 2, get n equals 4. If you substitute that into the original equation, the left side, 3 times 4 is 12 minus 2. Over here we have n, 4 plus 6. So it ends up with square root of 10 equals the square root of 10. And that's true, right? They're the same thing. So let's try one more. And then you're going to try some. You get really good at these by practicing. So make sure you practice. We've isolated a square root, so we're going to square both sides. 3t plus 4 equals 5t minus 6. I know we're going to have to get the t's on the same side. I personally like to get rid of the smaller one usually, so I'm getting rid of 3t, so we would subtract 3t. But if you wanted, you could subtract 5t from both sides too. That works. These cancel. 4 equals 2t minus 6. We will add our 6. You know your steps of equations. 10 equals 2t. Divided by 2. We get 5 equals t. Let's double check that in the equation. Let's see, 3 times 5 is 15. Plus 4. 5 times 5 is 25. 15 plus 4 is 19. 25 minus 6 is 19. Great, worked out in both. So try some of these out. You got it. What is going on with my mouse? Where is it? Well, I don't know where my mouse is. There we go. Don't know why it's there.